We got some car seats that are in need of some help. Let's go check them out. Wow, look at those seats. You think we can do anything with them? I don't know. I'm going to try to clean it up. First we'll start with this Scotch Guard stuff. I'm just going to hose it down. I guess we can't make it look any worse. Ew. And this is all I used on the seats. Seats are dry, let's check it out. And I can see still a little bit of a stain right here. It just won't come out. I think that's part of the seat now, but anyway, I think it looks a lot better. Little bit of bonus footage. Here's another car with another dirty seat. Let's see what we can do with it. Well, this one's clean and dry. Let's check it out and see how it looks. I don't know what kind of motor oil they spilled here, but rest assured it was high quality. Now, when you're cleaning seats or any upholstery, a lot of times as it's drying, the stains tend to come back to the surface. Allegedly, it helps to put like a microfiber towel like this down as it's drying, and then as the stains come back up, allegedly they get caught on our microfiber towel. I don't know if that's true or not, but it sure makes me feel good when I do it. But that's what it looks like now. If you look close, I mean, you can barely see an outline of where that oil was. Yeah, I don't know what kind of oil slick it was, but it was pretty bad. But in any event, that's what it looks like. I think it looks better. And my secret weapon for oily stains like that second seat I just showed you, oil eater. That's right, not just for driveways anymore. Of course, it does say driveways on there, but also says carpets and upholstery, and you can use it in carpet cleaning machines. So yeah, that's what I like to use when I come across oil on seats. Well, that's it for this one, and as always, if the video helped you out or you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.